Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make mango ginger lemonade. Mango ginger lemonade. Ingredients: 2 ripe mangoes, peeled and chopped. 1/2 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice. 1/4 cup grated ginger. 1/2 cup honey. 4 cups water. Ice cubes. Fresh mint leaves, optional. Instructions. In a blender, puree the chopped mangoes until smooth. In a large pitcher, combine the pureed mangoes, freshly squeezed lemon juice, grated ginger, and honey. Stir well to combine. Add the water to the pitcher and stir again. Taste the lemonade and adjust the sweetness to your liking by adding more honey if desired. Fill glasses with ice cubes. And pour the mango ginger lemonade over the ice. Garnish with fresh mint leaves, if desired. Serve the lemonade cold and enjoy.